Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, let's solve this question together. We are given square root of x raised to x equals to 2 raised to x plus 16. Okay, now solution. So we have square root of x raised to x equals to 2 raised to x plus 16. Now, before we start, when you are given square root of p, the same as p raised to half. Okay, so from here you can write this one as x raised to half times x equals to 2 raised to x plus 16. Okay, so we can write this one as x raised to x on 2 to be 2 raised to x plus 16. All right, now the next step is to bring the powers down. So we can only do that by taking natural log on both sides. So that'll be ln of x raised to x on 2 ln 2 raised to x plus 16. Now when we're given ln of x raised to p, the same as p ln of x. Very powerful. So this one is power rule. So we have x on 2 ln of x. And this side will be x plus 16 ln of 2. Ln of 2. Okay, so it's here. Now from here we can expand this one. Okay, so we have x on 2 ln of x is the same as x ln of 2 plus 16 ln of 2. Okay, now we want to join this one to this, so x on 2 ln of x minus x ln of 2 equals to 16 ln of 2. So from here we can get rid of this fraction by multiplying through by 2, okay, or by balancing it by multiplying both sides by 2. So we have 2 times x on 2 ln of x minus x ln of 2 equals to 2 times that. So this side will be, so 2 times that's also cancel. That will be x ln of x times this minus 2x ln of 2 equals to 32 ln of 2. All right, so we have x minus 2x (32) ln of 2. Okay, so from here we can write this one as, so we can take x out ln of x minus 2 ln of 2 equals 32 ln of 2. Now, when we're given ln of x minus ln of p is the same as ln of x on p. So this one is a powerful rule in logarithm, okay? So this one is quotient rule. So from here, since this one will come here, we have x ln of x minus 2 squared equals 32 ln of 2. So we have x ln of x minus ln of 4 equals 32 ln of 2. All right. Now from here we have x ln of x on 4 equals 32 ln of 2. So we the same as x ln of x on 4 32 ln of 2. Okay. Now let's divide 2 by 4 or divide both sides by 4. Okay. Now I want to make this side and this side equal. So over 4 over 4. So that will be x over 4 ln of x over 4. So that will be 8 ln of 2. Now, because this side is the same as this side, let's make this side equal to this side. As simple as that. So from here, you can write 8 as 4 times 2 ln of 2. And we have this one, x over 4 ln of x over 4. So from here, we can write this one as 2 squared 4 ln of 2 squared, or just 4. So x over 4 ln of x over 4. So from here, since this one is the same as that and this one is the same as that, you can say that this one equals that. So it means x over 4 equals 4. Therefore, over 1, x is 16. That's the first answer. Or ln of x over 4 equals to ln of 4. So we have it here, this equals that. So by taking antilog, this one would be x over 4 equals to 4, which is the same as 16. So x equals 16. All right, so if you want to verify, you can go ahead. Okay, so if you want to verify, we have square root of x equals 2 raised to x plus 16. Okay, so if I plug in 16, okay, that will be square root of 16 raised to 16. Okay, 2 to the power 16 plus 16, 32. So this side is the same as 16 raised to 16 on 2. Okay, so 16 to the power 8. Then the same as 2 to the power 32. Alright, so that's that. So you can verify on the calculator. Thanks for watching.